Hey, how you doing? In this video, I'm gonna go literally live in the market. It is currently 9 a.m. Eastern time, so literally in 30 minutes, the New York Stock Exchange will open. I know, you may wonder, what the hell, it's very dark out here, but I know, I'm currently in a different country for some time, okay, because I came to see this country a little bit, etc, etc. But regardless, let's not let that bother us. I'm gonna literally go into the live market so you can see it, and then I'm gonna teach it. I'm gonna teach the strategies that I use in the live markets. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, just like that, 1.7 thousand. But guess what? I'm not a jerk. I'm not just going to show you me make money, etc. I'm going to teach you now. I'm going to actually show you how did I actually take this trade. So watch this. Alright, as you can see, very simple looking ass trade. But we have to understand, today we had a CPI news data. My bad, I'm not using a mouse, so it's kind of weird to use this right now. So we had a news at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, which is a very huge, very high impactful news data. CPI, if you guys don't know, it's one of the biggest news data there is, and it will affect the markets by moving in sideways later because there was a big move. But I was ready, but guess what? We still saw some amazing price action. We had, wow, it's windy right now, my bad. If it's, I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. Let me put this microphone closer. But we had this amazing price action, even though the session opened at 9:30, right? And the session opened at 9:30. Session opened at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. We got this amazing movement there. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We had a 50-minute time frame, very nice uptrend. Okay, how does the trend move? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. That's exactly when we need to buy. And also, the beauty about this one is when the session opened, there was a 50-minute high right here. Now, there was a sweep of liquidity. Now, the thing is, 99.999% of the traders are losing because they would have entered on the sweep of liquidity immediately because they saw a mini push down. But that's not enough for us. What we need to see is we need to see a complete trend direction switch confirmation, which is two break structures to the downside, the market structure shift, but it didn't happen. It continued to respect this uptrend, which means this was just a manipulation tactic, and a lot of traders just freaking lost money. And continues up, moves in higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. I bought on another higher high when it broke structure right here. This is a break of structure to the upside, and this is how we make money. All right. If there's a liquidity sweep and it gets disrespected, that just means the uptrend is very powerful in this case. And I just bought it right here, and this order block right here, which is the last down candle after the break structure to the upside, is our shield. And look how perfectly it shielded our stop loss. And then we continue up. My target would have been this liquidity. However, some brokerages, it may have it a little bit here and a little bit here, so I wanted to protect myself a little bit. I put it right here, my target, and this was also like almost 1-to-2 reshort ratio, so I'm happy with this one. So alright, but you get the point. 1.7 thousand in very short period of time because I'm a day trader, right? 30 to 60 minutes a day, that's all it takes. And I just ordered some tacos. It will be here very soon into this villa. And I'm here to always not to flex. I'm here to motivate, educate, and innovate so you can achieve the same and do the same. I'm not a fake guru who just wants to yap and this and that. I want to actually make you profitable. If you think you're serious, if you think you want to become profitable fast, cut the learning curve, everything, then click the first link in the description. It will take you to my free 1-hour-long course where I will teach you exactly how to start day trading, how to become profitable fast, how to learn fast, all that good stuff, man. As usual, I will see you on the other side. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to a friend who you want to see succeed. Alright, peace out. Hey, how you doing? In this video, I'm going to go cameraman.